Hello there. Today I'm here to give you a long-term review and gaming test of OnePlus 9 Pro after 2 years of releasing. It was released in March 2021 and it was the flagship phone at the time, which comes with Snapdragon 888 octa-core processor, which is based on 5nm, and Adreno 660 GPU, which is very optimized for gaming. My device is in stellar black color and it feels so good in hand because of its matte finish, and the good point of this design is that it doesn't contain any kind of fingerprints on its back, which is pretty good. As you can see here, it has Oxygen OS 13, which is based on Android 13 with December security patch. While using the device, I never had any kind of lags or issue on the device. I have been using the device since couple of months and I have got 8GB RAM with 128GB ROM, and the interesting facts of the Oxygen OS 13 is that you can extend the RAM up to 5GB, so the total RAM will be 13GB. That looks good. Talking about the display, it has 6.7-inch LTPO Fluid version 2 AMOLED Quad HD curved display with 120Hz refresh rate. While using the device, it feels super smooth due to its 120Hz refresh rate. While watching the content on the device, it provides the good color balance and deep black due to the cause of HDR10 Plus support, and you can watch the content in 4K resolution. While opening the apps, the device handles every task very smoothly and apps opening time is very fast. As you can see here, it feels super smoother and faster, as well as it can handle multiple tasks smoothly. Talking about the camera, it has quad camera setup on the back side. Primary camera that has 48 megapixel Sony IMX789 f 1.8 aperture with OIS for the stable video recording. The second one, 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 ultra wide angle camera with f 2.2. The wide angle camera is higher than its primary camera, which is quite interesting. 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3.3x zoom to capture photo and videos in portrait mode. The optical camera does support with OIS for the stable video recording. And finally, there is a 2 megapixel monochrome camera, which is useless. Talking about the video recording, wide lens can record up to 8K with 30 fps and 4K with 60 fps only, but the main camera can go up to 4K with 120 fps. In front, it has same old 16 megapixel Sony IMX471 sensor, which is average. And definitely the back camera department of this device won't disappoint you. Talking about its gaming, first of all, let's try Call of Duty Mobile. It supports COD Mobile in very high graphics with max FPS. While playing the games, you can see the FPS, GPU and CPU usage on the left side of the device, so that you can see the FPS drops while playing the games.
Converted a survivor. Converted a survivor. Converted a survivor. Converted a survivor. A survivor. Converted a survivor. Converted a survivor. Converted a survivor. Converted a survivor.
Changing mag.
Zone is collapsing. We have a winner.
Now let's try PUBG Mobile. You can play PUBG in smooth with 90 FPS and ultra with 60 FPS. In the same way, you can see FPS, GPU and CPU usage on the left side of the screen.
Marked a location.
Clear! Enemy down! Cover me! Nice shot! Cover me! Target down! Enemy down! Reloading! Great! You're about to win!
The device handles the temperature and FPS in balanced way. So the performance of this device is awesome and no any complaint regarding lags and FPS drops. Hence, the Snapdragon 888 chipset is fully optimized for gaming. You cannot notice lags and FPS drops while playing heavy games like PUBG and COD Mobile. Finally, the conclusion is yes, you can really have this phone, and the device has 4500 mAh battery with support 65 watt web charging as well as 50 watt wireless charging system with reverse wireless charging. And if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to press the like button and as well as subscribe my channel for more interesting content. Thanks for watching.